Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 2 XL against the Xiaomi Mi 8. So this will be Android 9 Pie versus Android 8.1 Oreo, stock Android versus skin Android. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first we have the Google Pixel 2 XL. It has a Quad HD screen. It's on the newest version of Android Oreo 9 called Pie. It has last year's Snapdragon 835 and the Adreno 540 GPU, and it has 4GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p screen. It's still on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has the newest Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before running the speed test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Xiaomi Mi 8 wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are in the background. round 2 the Mi 8 wins again, this time with 3 points. Moving on to benchmarks, this is Antutu benchmark and the Pixel 2 XL scored over 187,000 points. However, the Xiaomi Mi 8 scored over 281,000 points. And here is the breakdown of the categories, and you can see the Xiaomi Mi 8 excelled in the GPU area. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here are the results at a glance. In round 1 the Xiaomi Mi 8 won by 4 points, and in round 2 again the Xiaomi Mi 8 won, this time by 3 points. When it came to Antutu benchmark, the Xiaomi Mi 8 clocked more than 93,000 points than the Pixel 2 XL. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the Geekbench 4 test because the app was crashing on the Pixel 2 XL. What did you think of this video? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, then please do consider subscribing to see more of my new videos. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, and please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.